What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making slime. So I don't know which glue I'm going to pick. I'm going to either pick this glue or these two glues, and I have them upside down because so then all the glue could go to the bottom, so when I squeeze it, it could come right out. So I have these two glow-in-the-dark glues. So yeah, and I'm going to be doing eeny, meeny, miny, moe to decide which one I pick. And I also have this red paint that I'm probably going to be using. Depends which glue I get. So yeah, if you like slime, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. So let's do eeny, meeny, miny, moe. So we have the two glues here. Right here. Yeah. If you guys can see. Okay, so we have, let's only use one glue for the eeny, meeny, miny, moe. We need something to stand these up because like I said, I want it to go all down to the bottom, so I'll just use this one. Okay, I'll quickly do eeny, meeny, miny, moe with it up. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch a tiger by its tail. If he hollers, let it go. My mom choose the very best one, and you are it. So guys, I guess I'm going to be using this glue. So yeah, and next video I'll use this one for you guys. If you want to, just comment down below. So yeah guys, let's get on to the video. So I have a bowl, a spoon, and some wax all ready. Okay, let's put this to the side because we're not using it. Since it's like a yellow, whitish color, which I would say it's yellow, I'm going to be putting some paint in it. So yeah. It would have been also really cool if I put some red paint in here because it would probably make a little a light purple. So yeah, let's do this. So I'll do this one first. Here, let me show you guys. You might not be able to see my head, only if I go back. Let's put this in. It might not be a big slime, but that's okay. It doesn't really matter. This bottle doesn't have that much in it. Like, not at all. Like, just a little. But I guess that's alright. I'm just going to keep it like that and then wait for it to go down, I guess. So while we're waiting, I'm going to put the next glue that has way more glue in it. So yeah, just going to put that there for a second. So yeah, let's wait. For the size, we should have done this glue, but it doesn't matter. We could always do that next time. I think this glue's empty. Let's check on this one. Actually, guys, since we want to make this a big slime instead of a little tiny one, we're going to mix it. And since I don't know which glue to pick, or I didn't know what glues to pick, I'm going to pick both. Okay, let's put that to the side too. So now let's add the glue. Some of this. Alright guys, I think that's enough. So it has the glow-in-the-dark glue right there. And then the blue clear glue right there. So now let's mix it and then add some red food coloring or food paint. So yeah. Comment down below what other videos you want me to do instead for the slime. This is a really cute color. I don't know if I want to change this. I did this before I mixed the same glue together before, and it turned out so good. So I'm going to have to add the paint now. Got it. Okay, perfect. Let's mix. I might have added a little too much, but this is pretty. Never mind, I didn't. So here's how it looks. I'm probably going to be adding some charms like a donut charm or an ice cream charm or scorpion or dinosaur. So guys, now it's time to add the activator. A little bit at a time because this slime isn't that big, but it's actually pretty big. It's clumping together. That's good. Might need a little bit more. Put that right there. Let's mix it up. Let's pour some back. That might have been a little too much before, but it's alright because I poured back. Why did I just go in with my hands? I have a habit where I go in with my hands when it's not the right time. But just went in with my hands. Now let's mix it. It's so sticky, we might need some more activator. Some more activator on the bowl. I wish someone was here to help me, because then I might get the bowl dirty, or the cup dirty. Let's mix. It's all over my hands. Oh, it's flung, but luckily it's flung on my leg. I love this color. It's like pinkish or reddish. On camera, it looks like a pink, but it actually kind of looks more red in person. So, I don't really like pink. I like blue and red, so that's actually good. That's red. Guys, I think it's done. So guys, I think it's done now. We did add too much activator, but it's not activated enough because I dumped the activator out. So yeah guys, now let's do some ASMR, but there's still more activator on the slime, so we have to get that out or mix it in. Let's do some activator. Or ASMR. I really like this slime. Do some bubble pops. Oh, it's still kind of sticky, but that's alright. Here it is. Clear slime, and I'm pretty sure it still glows in the dark. Let's make a bubble real quick. Here, you guys can see. It might be a little too sticky to make a bubble, but I just added some activator on it. Gotta mix that and quickly do a bubble. So yeah guys, that's really good. Okay guys, unfortunately it is the end of the video. This slime turned out to be really nice, this reddish color, and it's actually going dark, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, I like this slime a lot. Comment down below if you want me to do more ASMR and a different video, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Peace out.